Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows Server VPS with Windows Server Backup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Windows Server VPS, first, log in to your server. Navigate to the Start menu and type in Windows Server Backup. Select the Windows Server Backup application from the results. Once the application opens, look for the option called Backup Once in the right-hand pane. Click on Backup Once to start the backup wizard. Choose different options in the Backup Options window and click Next. Now, select Full Backup to ensure all data is securely saved. Click Next to proceed to the Select Backup Destination screen. You can choose to backup to a local disk or a remote shared folder. If using a local disk, select the appropriate option and click Next. If using a remote folder, type in the path and ensure all settings are correct before clicking Backup. The backup process will start, and you can monitor its progress. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take some time depending on your data size. Once finished, a summary will appear showing the successful backup completion. It's essential to verify the backup by checking the backup location. Navigate to the backup destination and confirm the presence of the backup files. For regular backups, you can set up a scheduled backup by returning to the Windows Server Backup main page. Click on Backup Schedule to open the Schedule wizard. Follow the prompts to set how often and when your server should backup automatically. Review your settings, and click Finish to activate the schedule. Regularly monitor your backups to ensure everything is working smoothly. This completes the backup setup process for your Windows Server VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.